Sanibona, ngiyathemba niyaphila. So we've dealt with the theory ke manje yonke ngokuphelele about momentum. So let's try and apply leyo lokhuzane, leyo theory yethu. So we under the concept of ilokhuzane momentum, so just scratch this. So we're sekubona. So here's a question. Tualana, a minibus taxi with an unknown number of passengers travels at 30 meters per second to the right when it collides head on with a car of 1,100 kilograms traveling at 20 meters per second to the left, as shown in the diagram below. During the collision, the vehicles stick together. Very important. The vehicles stick together and travel at 10 meters per second immediately after the collision. 10 meters per second immediately after the collision in the direction of the original motion of the taxi. Nayi taxi. Let's nyabo? Or no. Sinelokhuzana sine minibus taxi. Collides head on car with a okay, yeah. Buka. So lapha na the my statement to the average mass. Let me change highlight. The average mass of the minibus and also in minibus taxi on South African roads is 1,100 kilograms. The law states that the combined mass of all the passengers in a minibus and the taxi itself should not exceed 3,500. Asiboneni le information usisiza aphi. Let me just highlight ngoyellow la khona ngeke imeke lento siyibone. So Tuani, okay, question 4.1. Let's start ukuphendula bafowethu. 4.1. What is meant by the term isolated system? So isolated system is a system where F-net equals 0. So it's a system where there are no external forces. So asipal, it's a system where there is no net force. So tata quickly property with F net equals 0. Then 4.2. T1 Lana. Tua, was the minibus taxi overloaded? Most support your answer with an appropriate calculation. Buala panotic in statement. Tua, the average mass of a minibus taxi in South African roads is 1,500. The law states the combined mass of the passengers in a minibus taxi and the taxi itself should not exceed 3,500. Umbuzo uthini, is it taxi overloaded? Yabo, if ilo ithi ilokhuzane fanele imass ibo 3,500, should if mhlambe sicalculate imass yama passenger ne taxi behlangene iudlule 3,500, should kuzobe kunjani? Should izobe overloaded taxi. That's the basic interpretation yale question yabo. Azama calculator your imass. So let's calculate imass yala. So first thing is first, the formula. Total momentum before must equal to total momentum after. The formula ngakuderive yona ngithi in the previous videos. So nginoba no mass. Okay, ngicela i-taxi siyenze A, imoto siyenze B, yabo. Shuthi ngizoba nani? Ngifuna kuvele konke in one page. Shuthi ngizoba nani? Ngizoba ne-mass ka A, velocity ka A, plus i-mass ka B, velocity ka B, konke before i-collision. Mase ngiba ne-mass ka A times velocity ka A plus i-mass ka B ne velocity ka B konke nini after our collision. So we are also told la ukuthi after ilokhuzana imoto i-taxi nemoto beshayisana, they stick together, angithi. So shuthi if they stick together bazohamba ngani ngevelocity efanayo. Straight away there are two options. You can substitute directly from la ungazama complicator noma ungasebenzisa ukuthi ayithi la like look la ngaphambili ayithi mase besticka together bazomove at the same velocity shuthi low v nalow v, so ungakhipha common factor ka v masuba no mass of A plus mass of B equals yonke ke lento lela ngaphezulu. It's the same thing, yes, kodwa nje kusukuyi complicator lokho. Asikho isidingo sokuthi uyenze lento, it's not compulsory. You can just use general knowledge yakho noma ngithi basic knowledge yakho to solve and you're gonna get the same correct answer. So asiqale siqhubekeni. Bekuba imass ka A, imass ka A sinikwe phezulu angithi imass ye-minibus taxi asinayo ahlahle, so it's just M. I-velocity ye-taxi it's 30 to the right. Okay, ncitheni khona i-steps sengiskiphile la. Ama-steps sokusolve guys awashintshile. Steps sokuqala it's diagram, esesibili it's data, esesithathu direction. Very important step, ngenza iphutha nami ngokuskipha. So i-step sokuqala was i-diagram and na i-diagram uyinikiwe. I-step sesibili is i-data. So uma ubhala i-data just eceleni nje fethu thola isikhadlana. Thola nje isikhadlana noma abe singakanani. Naso nje la. Ngizobhala i-data yami la for A, B. Ngifuna into ezintathu, i-mass, initial velocity, final velocity. I-mass, initial velocity, final velocity. So i-mass ka A anginayo M, so ibiza ngo M. Initial velocity izoba u-30 to the right. Final velocity i-2 izoqhubeka ngo-10 in the direction of original motion of i-taxi, shuthi nayo izoba u-10 to the right. I-mass ka B sinikiwe, i-mass yakha uthi 1100. Initial velocity yayo ibi u-20 to the left. Final velocity angithi kuthiwa they stick together. Where is it? Here it's they stick together. Shunjoba be sticker together nayo izoba u-10 to the right, bazomove ngevelocity eyodwa. Then sina one unknown la kwi-question enthi yabo shuthi into esingakwazi ukuyisolve leyo. So scalculate nike. By the way, angithi uyabona kuthiwa statement a minibus with an unknown number of passengers travels ngo-30. Shuthi bathini bakutshela ukuthi le minibus le already njengoba ihamba ngalo 30 lo inama passenger phakathi. Uyabo? So asicalculate nike say i-mass usebenza u-A, usuzodabhona nje i-information yakho la from i-data. Steps esithathu was i-direction. Let's choose the direction as positive. Bunga uchoose u-left, bunga uchoose no right. We'll arrive at the same answer. But let's just choose u-right ukuthi it's positive. Indicate lokho. Okay, so substitute initial velocity u-30 yaka right, shuthi u-30 o positive. Plus i-mass ka B, u-B uyilo ngithi i-mass yakho 1100 times i-velocity ka B, which is 20 to the left, shuthi negative 20. Why? Because ngithi u-right is positive la. Okay, and that will equal to i-mass ka A, which is still M. Ish ngobhale kahle lo M ubonakala ukuthi M lo M. I-velocity ka A ibani u-10, i-final velocity. Asinjalo konke lokho ngalawo initial, lo ngalawo final. So final is over 10 to the right, should to positive 10 plus i-mass ka B, which was 1100. The final velocity nayo izoba bani positive 10 because of 10 to the right. Then i-physics yakho, if usufika kulesi step isiphelele, sekumele manje usolve siqala manje i-maths usolve for x. Akuloya nelilodwa imaki, wonke ama-steps ozowathatha ukusolve for x. Imaki elandelayo nje will just be i-final answer. Okay, let's solve. So la ngizoba no 30 times m, which is 30m, plus take out your calculator. Mase uya calculator ukuthi u-1100 times negative 20 times so into 22,000. Positive times negative so into negative la means one negative 22,000, and that equals to uthi yabo laba bayafana should ngebunga keep i-common factor bungenzani njani kukwena. 10 times m kuzoba 10m plus 1900 times 10 uyafaka i-calculator yakho leyo nto leyo ikunika bani 11,000. Basic solving siyamtransposa lo uza ngala angithi mayiseza ngalapho ushintsha i-sign so ngizoba no 30m minus 10m equals lo be negative masimtransposa ngala uzoba positive angithi shooting ngizoba no 1000 no it's 11,000 plus 22,000. 30 minus 10 uzonginikeza u20m which equals 11,000 plus 22,000 okwenza u33,000. Ngifuna u-m nayo 20m angithi so ngizodivide ngo20 ngidivide ngo20 bazokhanselana ngala ngisale ukuthi i-mass yami yobanike ngimdivide ngo20 1650 kgs. So bithini law ibithi the law states that the combined mass of all passengers in the minibus and the taxi itself should not exceed 3,500. So since le value li ingaphansi kwa 3,500 usuzo conclude uthini therefore taxi was not overloaded. So that will be a conclusion. That will be a question yakho all for 5 marks. Very simple. Into esiyenzile nakama video a previous. Ngiyathemba ukuthi niyabona. Don't make the mistake yokuthi ibuka la omunye umfundi ubezobona because I've noticed even from ama class like calculate la uthi okay 1650 abone la lo 1500 lo ukuthi i-average mass ya thiwa lapha i-average mass ye taxi yodwa not isina ama passenger. Ngithi yabo if i-taxi iyodwa ine mass yayo phela vele i-taxi but nathi mase sigcwele etaxini sesi-add ama mass ethu uyabo. So la kahle kahle beyi-statement just nje sokudida kuphela asihlangene ne-question yethu. So ngiyathemba ukuthi uyak-understanda lokho. Okay, so ngicela nje just ukuthi mhlawumbe screenshot or something noma pause i-video mase uyabhala because I need to erase. Here, okay, so ngiya erase ke manje ke. Alright, so let's look at the following question. So, salelelo noma singaqala simsuse lo. So, sekuthiwa ni Twalana, the surface exerts a constant frictional force of 2,500 newtons on the minibus taxi car system. Mabethi minibus taxi car behlanganisa konke should bakhuluma after sekushayisene sekuhamba ndawonye. Exerts a constant frictional force of 2,500 newtons on the minibus taxi car system as it comes to rest. Calculate the distance that the minibus taxi system moves after the collision. Buka lana ikutshengisa scenario yalombuzo lo. So angithi nayi taxi nayi imoto. Ngithi yabo which was labeled to A, lo was labeled to B. So uma sebeshayisena, okay, I'm not very good at drawing guys, so uzama nje understand le taxi oyidweba la. Nanti iquantum bafethu. Amawindi kanjalo nayi taxi. Bashayisene nale moto le. So uma sebeshayisene bazomove vele a certain distance. Angithi mhlambe ngikale nje from la ngithi this is point A iza la to point B. Le system le izoba nani? Izoba ne constant friction. By the way, friction, if wabukele nama video ama Newton's laws, you understand, friction always opposes motion. Friction le, it always opposes emotion. Shoot, if emotion yeti angaka right, if friction is obe angaka left. If and the opposite happens foot nakon. If emotion yeti angaka left, friction is obe angaka right. Applies in every section la. With physics, work, energy and power, everything. In challenge friction. So last is a constant frictional force. I say motor zethu ibhengale shoot frictions obhengala and yobani you 2500. Izomove lalela frictional force izobe exerteka from la up until point B, where ku point B futhi utsheliwe ukuthini bazobe se final velocity bizobe siubani u0. Ukuthathe lokho rest la inthi yabo la ku point A sengithola ivelocity ku point B. Point A velocity izokuba utshelwe ekuqaleni ukuthi izomove usu10 angithi, so shoot to 10 meters per second. Just remove this. 10 meters per second. Point A u0 at point B. Yonke le ndlela le kuzobe i-frictional force izobe applyeka ize ime imoto. Okay, so sifuna ukwazi ukuthini ke thina, calculate a distance that the minibus taxi car system moves after the collision. Bakholide la ku point A. Ifuna ukwazi le distance le. Let's just call it x. Ngiyabo ukuthi iubani. So yiphi ke indlela esingenza ngayo just to calculate layer distance layer? Okay, you think, yabo? Which formulas do we have thina la we momentum? Sina layer ye conservation of linear momentum. Bengasiza not so much, ne? Not so much. Sinale futhi sinale ethi F net times change in time equals change in momentum. Siqale nje la sinayo time. I don't think isinayo ini time. Okay, asizamenye futhi siboneni u-F net equals ma. Okay, acceleration ini mhlawumbe you change in velocity or change in time izosiza le nto leyo calculate lokhuzana lokhuzana yethu i-distance ihlangana naphi acceleration ne-distance, so ilinka kanjani? He inkinga le antiyabo. So let's look at ilokhuzana i-scenario yethu ne. What are we given? Ilana ke manje sekumele wenze njani ke? Landela ama steps akho ukusolve. I-steps sokuqala, okay, diagram. We just drew a diagram line table. This is a scenario yethu. Esesibili is data. Okay, so ibhala manje sesithathu will be a direction. Here's our data la. Into eshintshile la with data yethu, okay, what we know manje sesiyayazi le mess uthi uba si-calculate ekuqaleni, then ama-final velocity nama-initial velocity ahlahla ngiqale phansi nje le data yami. Okay, wazi lo final la initial uzoshintsha naye. Asibukeni. So la umese lo 1650. Initial velocity iubani u-point A or 10 angithi 10 to the right, 10 to the right. Final velocity izokhama to rest, so 0 or 0. We have everything yela antiyabo. Okay, so yeah, sesiqedile yonke data yethu. So now we want to find ukuthini ukuthi lana iyiphi formula esizokwazi ukuyisebenzisa. I'll choose direction the positive, right is positive. Siqhubeke naye. Iyiphi formula yakhe ezokwazi ukuthi ikunikeze i-distance. Okay, so we have ama equations of motion ozobuwanikiwe lapho kwi-data sheet yakho. Angwabhalela nje. Vf equals v initial plus acceleration change in time. Vf squared will equal to v initial squared plus acceleration change in x. Change in x equal to v initial change in time. Self acceleration change in time squared. Change in x will equal to v final plus v initial all over 2 times change in time. Iwona lawa kuphela amaformula nawo ku-physics angakwazi ukunikeza ini i-delta x. So ubuka unale, now delta x la, now delta x la, now delta x la. Yabo? But now into ke esihluphayo ngalama equation lawo yini? Acceleration. Because manje angeke uzufanise nangesikhathi sisenza i-vertical projectile motion. Kwi-vertical projectile motion i-acceleration ibubani? Biu 9,8 downwards. Yabo? But manje la imoto zethu ay move up or down and azikho in free fall. Angithi zimove ziyaka left yebo ziyaka right kuphela. Yabo? And acceleration yethu angeke ikwazi ukuba 9,81. So let's see ukuthi ke how do we sikhipha kanjani leyo nkinga ngaphambi kwethu. Buka lana. Let me just insert a new page. Okay. So bheka ngapha zinja zami. So you would choose any equation le yokuqala bungayichoose le yokuqala, bungayichoose nale yesibili, bungayichoose nale yesithathu. Ngiyabo? Let's just say mina I chose le yesibili. Sibhale sibone niyona ukuthi izonginikani la equation. So Vf squared equals V initial squared plus 2. Fayibona 2 nala. Plus 2 acceleration change in x. So let me see from it data. Our final velocity has to be 0. I get okay. 0 squared equals initial velocity nginayo nansi la u1 u10 to the right positive 10 squared plus 2 acceleration yuba angiyazi unknown change in x ngifuna yena vele ku change in x let me just call it x because ile distance le. So we have one equation and we have one unknown. Asikwazi ukusolve lonto leyo. Should first class sithole ini acceleration. But Sir Isaac Newton wasipha le formula enhle kakhulu ethi F net equals ma eno acceleration. So I need to calculate acceleration yala. Buka F net by ilokhuzana by definition noma ikudwebele nje free body diagram yala yale imoto lezi. So ikulewa ne force yohlezi ibheke phansi the force of gravity. Sibe ne normal force eyohlezi perpendicular ne surface not ukuthi yohlezi ibheke phezulu. Mase siba ne frictional force ebheke ngala. Ayikho enye force ezobheka ngala. Mthiyabo? So ama forces parallel ne surface yethu is only in friction. So le friction le ibheka left thina we chose right as positive. Mthiyabo? So shuthi kuzoba banika u-F net it's negative friction which equals mass times acceleration. So if friction yakho utshela ukuthi ubanike la kwi statement you 2500 ngizala negative 2500 which equals mass sikhuluma ngani la sikhuluma ngemoto plus tax angithi eqaleni ngicalculate ukuthi mass ye tax ibe 1650 plus because phela fanele ngibahlanganise bafedi lawo babili angithi mangibahlanganisa imass yemoto ke ibe 1100 entiyabo konke lokho times ini ke times your acceleration yakho ke iyona engifunayo entiyabo. So ukuze ngithole acceleration kumele ngidivide ngale number le 1650 plus 1100 nangapha divide ngayo mawuyi-add vele ikhiphela ba 0572 shothi divide ngobani u2750 ngala bazokhanselana then mase ngithola ke i-acceleration yami ukuthi uba so you just go to your calculator uthole kuthini ke izoba 2500 udivide ngo2750 uthole acceleration L0 no it's negative 0,909 meters per second squared. Acceleration is vector, so maybe shear is positive, so it's 0,909 meters per second squared. Direction, lo negative ushi direction ka left. Why is it left? Because in answer it's negative and it's say right or positive. So now sengithole acceleration. Leo acceleration is the beauty of your na isizokwazi ukungena kuphi isizokwazi ukungena la manje. So let me bring back le nto bengibhalile bengibhale u0 squared equals u10 squared plus 2 acceleration yami ngithole u0,909 oya ka left and mina ngitheni ngithe u right no positive angithi eseceleni nje le ungayinayo shooting lines on negative 9,09 times x wami sengine unknown eyodwa bafethu esinabo ne-equation. So lana ke manje you just use your mathematics gymnastics or what not you want to call it and then you see solve yabo. So la ngizothola u0 equals 100 plus okay fine brackets lo times analo ngithi yabo 9.09 times ngo2 uzoba negative 18,18 x because it's times analo x ethi nabo. So lo negative ethi yabo should ngamthatha transpose to the other side uzoba positive should ngizoba no 18,18x which equals bani 100 divide ngo 18,18 divide ngo 18,18 ukuze ngithole x wami yedwa thola ukuthi x uzoba bani ke 100 divided by 18.18 ngithola bani u5.5 meters and that will be your question for bani ke for la certain marks. Good question, beautiful question. Yeah, so that will be in 5 marks wakho lo. So you're gonna get ke bafethu ama questions akanje where isiyakuphoqa manje question kuthini kumele ubuye uzo apply ama equations of motion wanikiwe kwi data sheet yakho, especially futhi ama questions akanjena nje adinga a certain distance x kuyakuphoqa ukuthi kumele uye ngama equations of motion. Then acceleration usungayisolve using Newton's second law, very important. And then ke mase uyasolve from lapho mase uthola acceleration usungayisubstitute la phela khumbula ukuthini lama equations of motion asebenza makunjani at a constant acceleration. Acceleration ya laba block ke lawo mabili i-constant yo lo i-accelerator i-acceleration efanayo nje ubona i-acceleration yethu la mase calculator bi negative chaza ukuthi iya decelerate fana ukuthi imoto iyahamba yabo and then uvela ubreak isaqhubeka imoto like buka la ngizokwenzela nje sketch esincanyana here unemoto yabo wheels and so forth iya ngale and wena yini wenze njani uapply ama brakes imoto izoqhubeka iaccelerate kodwa manje kwenzakalani yona isi accelerator at the opposite direction lokho sikubiza ngithini iya decelerator yabo iyona nto ekhoza ukuthi slow it down. So I hope we understandile bafethu question yethu. Amanye ama-questions sazowenza amaningi ndawonye. So just stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. We are going to have a revision session online for any students abafisa uku-attenda the following week. So please stay tuned. Siyabonga.